Hello everyone, today we have come to the winter gardens at Al Zahia City Centre, Sharjah. So I will show you the winter garden. I will not talk much because there's too much to explore, so come with me.
Welcome to Winter Garden Al Zahia. It's your space to experience the fun vibes, tasty food, exciting live shows and much more. This garden is open from January 4th till March 5th, 2023. So now let's explore the garden. Now let's see what the little ones can do here. So it's a human crane game. The Al Zahia City Centre is also teamed up with Splash and Party. As you can see, there are a number of inflatable slides, bungee rides, and the snow park was one of the main kids attraction. They were throwing snow at each other, and there were several games like gingerbread decorating, arts and crafts, and here we can see hair braiding. There are also slime making, and here you can see bowling games were also there. Then there is this jumping game, then this carnival games where you can play and win the gifts which you can see over there. Then there were cyberjets and number of racing cars, bumper cars, mine train. See, these cars are really kids one of the favorite rides. So then there were video games and kiddie ride zones and number of things. Actually, this whole garden is what I say, kids paradise. Okay, so now let's move to the other part of the garden where you can find regular comedy nights, live music, DJs and number of things. And here is a kids play area also, which is free of cost, unlike the previous one where you have to pay and play. So this area has slides, swings and a number of fun games. So see how the kids are enjoying over here. The kids are really tired and very hungry, so let's move to the other part. The winter garden also features a wonderful array of food stalls to take visitors on a culinary journey including authentic Lebanese, Japanese, Panasian cuisine, etc. etc. So I'm giving you a full view of this whole place. The food court was really big and nice, and the cherry on the cake is the weather was perfect. This place is full of nature. You can see there are a number of beautiful flowers, trees. This gives you a very soothing effect, and you can really come here and relax in the weekend. So now it's time to eat some food. So here is Turkish ice cream, and here is another stall. Let's see where we can go. We have come to this stall where the kids are purchasing popcorn. So that's one of their favorite food. Wherever they go, they just keep on munching it. And let's see what I can eat. I was not very hungry, so just thought of having a cup of coffee, but Mr. Chakraborty has gone to bring for me. So here is he with a cup of piping hot coffee. That's my coffee. I'm not a coffee lover at all, but at that weather, I really thought of having a cup of coffee. Designed to bring Sharjah and wider UAE community together, City Centre Al Zahia is offering the very best al fresco entertainment with its very own outdoor cinema, complete with lounge-style seating. So you can see how the outdoor plaza had turned to a beautiful winter garden. So many things are being set up, and it's a kid paradise, and most importantly a place which is free to visit. Now it's time to enter the mall, but I will not show you the mall today. It's all about the winter garden. And hey, we have come out and it's night, and just see how the whole place is looking. It has come alive completely, but for us it's now time to go home. So if you are in UAE, do visit this winter garden for sure. And if you like anything from this vlog, you know what to do, right? Yes, Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay safe. Bye bye. Enjoy.